Hi guys, going to do a test mode. Oops, sorry, forgot to plug the machine. Okay, sorry. Okay. Right. Right. I'm ready. Thousand RPM already. Now good. Making more vibrations. All perfectly fine. Alright, let's turn it off. It's gonna vibrate just a little. Shoot. Oh, sorry. Lose it. Alright. Yep, it's all good. Okay, gonna be a little bit unbalanced. I'm not blaming it because I'm not really getting balanced. Okay, there we go. Alright. Thank you guys all for watching.